Wait a second. Plants can think? Plant intelligence is a concept that's changing how we view the natural world. Once thought impossible, this idea is now gaining ground among scientists, challenging our fundamental understanding of cognition. While plants don't have brains, they process information by translating it into electrical chemical signals in their cells, identical to those used by our own neurons. These electrical signals process information and make complex environmental decisions. Photoreceptor proteins, similar to those in human eyes, allow plants to perceive light, while other sensory mechanisms detect touch, moisture, and even magnetic fields. Perhaps most intriguing is plants' sophisticated communication system. For example, the fresh smell of cut grass is actually a distress signal. When a plant is damaged, it releases airborne chemicals, known as volatile organic compounds. These act as chemical messengers, entering the microscopic stomata of neighboring plants, which coordinates warnings of impending threats. Plants can learn and remember too. According to an experiment, the touch-me-not plant, when repeatedly dropped, learned to stop closing its leaves when it figured that these were only false alarms. It retained this learned information for months, suggesting memory longer than some animals. Not only that, their genes also pass on generational memories to help offspring adapt. Intriguingly, when this plant's roots are exposed to anesthetic, it becomes unresponsive to touch, as if asleep, suggesting a state of awareness similar to animals. As we uncover more about how plants perceive and interact with their world, we're finding that the gap between plants and animals is much smaller than we once thought.